Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 6. Thank you again for joining me for this COOKMAS where I continue to bring you daily videos throughout the month of December for this holiday season. For today's recipe is going to be a sweet one, but we are going to be making some biscotti. Biscotti are Italian almond cookies that are twice baked, oblong shaped, and are very crunchy. It's known for its long shelf life and its crisp texture. So in this case today, we're going to go ahead and jazz up the biscotti by making some pistachio white chocolate biscotti. So I had some pistachios handy, so I figured I would go ahead and use them up. And with this recipe, we're going to go ahead and make the biscotti from scratch and go ahead and then dip them in some white chocolate and sprinkle them with some pistachios. So hopefully you guys are ready for this sweet treat. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is the pistachio white chocolate biscotti. It is a crispy, crunchy style of cookie, but in this case it is filled with delicious pistachio flavor, and then we also did add that almond extract to that, so that kind of gave it a more nuttier flavor as well. And then we went ahead and topped it off with that white chocolate at the end, sprinkled with a little bit more of the toasted pistachio nuts. Guys, this is truly something that you don't want to miss. Perfect for your mornings with your coffee. Hopefully you did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had biscotti before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And if you still have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays. Bye, guys.